found a couple more air conditioners in the trash. This one here is a 1967 General Electric Fashionette 6000, which is a 6000 BTU air conditioner, and it's in very good condition. So we can see it's real clean. And let's pop the front cover off here. I'm going to need two hands. And here we have the filter and the fan. The fan has absolutely no dirt on it at all. And as we can see, the inside is fairly clean as well. There's the compressor. And filter is like almost new condition. So let's fire it up and see how it works. Okay, I'll try on low. Fan's quiet. As we can see here, temperature reading is 90 point. Well, it's going down a little bit because of the fan. Let's see if we can get that. It feels like it's cooling, so let's let it run for a little bit and see what our temperature reading is. Okay, so I've had it running here for a few minutes. As we can see, the output temperature is 37.1 degrees. So I would venture to say that this unit is working pretty well. So there we go. 1967 General Electric Fashionette 6000. And another thing to note, although being practically 40 years old, the side baffles are still flexible. They're not cracked, nothing they need cleaned desperately, but other than that, they're in perfect condition. So there we go.